Hello YouTubers, yep, I'm back again with another video. Just a bit of an update. I've been editing videos, but I had a parcel turn up, which is some tiger seal. A lot of you will know what this is. It's basically just a bonding product or an adhesive. Yeah, the reason being is that I've ordered some parts for my car that have just been delivered. You would have heard me talk about it in a previous video. They're not spoilers or lips or stuff like that at the moment, but this is going to be used to bond the little flared parts that sit on the bottom of the wings. And the reason for that is that replacement wings don't actually come with this little lug hole in them where you clip them in. So yeah, that's the first thing. The second thing is my wings have turned up. Yep, very well packaged. Look at them. Plenty of stuff. I think I'll open them up actually. I wasn't going to, but I'll open them up, check them. That's where I got them from. And yeah, they certainly are well wrapped. So let's set up my phone and try and unwrap the wings, or one of the wings, so you can see. I think I'll do the offside one because that's the worst one on my car, and then we can go and have a quick look outside, see what it looks like, because obviously it's been pre-painted, which may be a good idea, it may not be a good idea, but I'm hopeful that the car's Panther Black, so how many shades of Panther Black can there be? That was really well packaged, as you would have seen. Yeah, impressed with the wing. It's the right colour. All looks good. Yeah, and what's happened on mine, as you would have seen, as I explained, is where these bolts here, or clips, go into the wing, or if the wing goes into the bumper, I should say, the movement causes it to rust out through here, and mine's blistered all across the top. And when I last looked at it and jacked it up, these bits here were also a bit manky. That's covered in packaging dirt. So yeah, but whereas they normally come with bolt holes here to put the lower panel on, I'm going to bond mine on, because that's what you do now. Yeah, so anyway, let's unwrap the other one. I won't video it. I shall get them both out and then go and have a quick look, offer them up against the car, see what you all think. But yeah, best present I've bought myself in ages. There it is. Let's rest it on my foot and not the ground. But yeah, looking pretty good. Yeah, so as you can see, there's going to be lots of mounting points to undo. A couple on the bottom, these ones behind the bumper, and a few on the top. But that's the plan. Yeah, these are the bits I was on about. These bits I'll have to take off and bond on. These bits have got to come off, which I'm hopeful will come undone from the other side. And obviously there's a bolt behind here, so I'm going to do a bit of reading to see how it all comes out. But then still got that scratch on the front bumper. It will get rid of that. Whether I've got to treat anything behind here, but it'll be a good opportunity to have a look whilst it's off. But that will be in the next 2 videos. Yeah, I'm going to split the videos up and do one for each side, which makes it easy. So if you want to see how to fit one, come back in a week or so. I'm actually thinking about it. It's going to be a couple of weeks. Yeah. So the next video will be out in about 2 or 3 weeks time. But if you don't want to miss it, click on the subscribe button. And yeah, you'll get a notification as to when it's coming out. But as per usual, thanks for watching. Shiny parts. And a little hole. Yeah, all good. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I shall see you in the next one.